I have in front of me here a converter that takes a VGA input and converts it into a DVI output. Okay, so it's a great little product in terms of it can be used, say, in conjunction with, in this case, a DVR, which is a VGA output on it, which would be quite standard for DVRs, and it has an input to go into it. And in this case here, it's an older projector, and it has a DVI input on it. Okay, so if we look on the front of the product itself, if we can just zoom in there. So we'll see there's a VGA input on this. And what we can do is, I'm going to now just rotate the product around, and we'll just see on the output side then, we have our DVI output on it. And it's as simple as that. So what we're going to do at this point is, I'm just going to actually add this product onto a VGA cable coming from the DVR that's just off screen here. So what we'll do here is, I just come along and I just push the connector on like that. So now I've actually successfully converted this from a cable with a VGA output to one with a DVI output on it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it onto this projector here and project it onto the screen. Okay, so I'm just going to move over here, and if we look at the projector here, we'll see that we have a DVI input here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up this connector here. I'm just going to line it up in the same ways. And what we'll do now is we're just going to insert it in here. Now you can see here that the camera that was on the fed into the DVR, which is now being projected over onto the projector onto the screen. You can see it's a pretty poor background we have on it, okay? So I'm just going to go around here and just come back into focus in a second. So it's quite impressive. And it's just great as an adapter to have, and it's it really serves a purpose because it just means that you can get your DVR in this case to work with this particular projector and project it onto a screen. So that's it anyway, an overview of a VGA to DVI conversion unit.